Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the coil packs and spark plugs on a 2008 Honda Accord. So this should be fun, pretty straight and simple. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so the coil packs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna start with the front since that's the easiest to get to. Need a 10 millimeter. And it's really that simple. Just pops it out like that. Always have somewhere to put your bolts. Alright, once you've unscrewed your bolt, you're gonna unclip this. Or I'll just take it out and then unclip it. Alright, hold on. There we go. So we're gonna pull that out. And just as I suspected, got some rust. It's a little not good sign. However, we used to have an oil leak, but that's been fixed, so that's probably why that's like that now. Now you've got to take your special spark plug socket with a rubber gasket inside that allows you to grab onto that spark plug. So we're gonna get in here and just gracefully, very gracefully remove this. See, these fronts are going to be easy. The back is the nightmare. Probably won't even show the back. I'll just explain the front and you can figure it out from there. Alright, so as you can see, there's some oil surrounding that.
Hey guys, while we're down here on the floor, I just wanted to take the time to let you know, sorry about this, don't have the best setup yet. But if you want to fund the channel, and help me out, just let me know. I take any donations you guys want to give me. I love giving you guys content, but it costs money, so
Alright, so as you can see, some oil on this, a little burnt out up here, but we knew that because there were seals that were bad that were replaced. So we're good on that. Okay, then we can see here's the difference in the coil packs. A little bit of oil, dried up oil versus perfectly clean. And if you can see the coil inside here, can't really tell, but it's really loose where this is nice, sitting secure. Alright, now we're gonna take this thing, snap it into place, slide it in here. Alright, and we're in. Now we just gotta do that 6 more times. Right now for the coil pack, just gonna slide that in, plug in, Nice. Alright, so this next one is not in the most fun of places to get to. All the way back here. Make sure we're always taking care of the pieces. Keep them together. All right. I'm gonna pull and then unplug. Yeah, it looks great. Nice chocolate milk look. All right, now for the fun part. Can we get... Oh yeah. So this one, you can really tell, is just absolutely fried. I don't know if it'll focus, but yeah. So that's cooked, but that's all right. That's why we've got new ones. Gotta repeat the same thing. New one in. All right, so here's a better view of the back plugs. So we're going right here. This is number 2. It breaks loose pretty easily. Then slip that out. Pull this. One problem I ran into was these seals were not coming undone. Look at that. It's like, oh my gosh. This is covered in oil. That's a great sign. So if you look at that, the suction got ripped off because it was so lubricated, but it should not be. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't want to know what this spark plug's gonna look like. This might be cooked, chat. Look at this. Give it a little dip. Oh my gosh. So that is exactly what we don't want. Well, the engine might be cooked. All right, so all the new packs are in. Well, the old ones are out. Even though that one is absolutely soaked in oil, we're just gonna see if that was residuals or if the engine is cooked. All right, we'll start with a little startup. All right, seems smooth. Pretty smooth. Let's see how it sounds a lot better. Neighbors are cooking me. Sounds smooth. Everything looks good. Not seeing any issues. So let's clear the codes and see what happens. We're gonna clear our codes. So if you don't already have an OBD scanner, Amazon, $20. Get it. do it. It's better than nothing. Or you can go to AutoZone and they will scan it for free. So you plug this in, that little bad boy under the seat. Now, my scanner, I'm gonna go to OBD, scanning the engine. 7 codes, obviously we know that. So I had tested this with it still with the battery connected to see where I was getting misfires. So obviously that's why it's showing that. But so see, we've got a check engine light, erase codes, yes. Turn the engine off. Forgot you got to do that. So turn it to the power, erase, yes. Why is it not erasing? Oh, they're gone. I guess it did work with the engine on. So yes, engine on, bada bing, bada boom. We're clear. Now let's give it a ride, see how it looks. All right, so it's looking like we're doing good. No lights are coming on. Feels smooth, sounds good. I think we're good. All right, I think I'm gonna call it there. Make sure to like and subscribe if you wanna see more content. Some about fun cars, some about fixing stuff, but Lego.